Hi everyone, this is Brian with Global Property Inspections. I'm a professional home and commercial property inspector, and today I'm here with a quick set of steps you can take to check your plumbing for leaks. As an inspector, I see leaks often, and water intrusion can quickly become one of the most expensive repairs you deal with as a homeowner. But if you keep an eye on your sinks and toilets, you can usually catch a leak fast and even make repairs yourself before things get out of hand. So what we're doing today is a little DIY plumbing inspection. Let's start by heading into the kitchen. Keep in mind you'll want to do this for all your bathrooms too. Gently grasp the faucet pipe and make sure that it's mounted securely. There shouldn't be any movement and there should be no separation between the sealing gasket here. Then you'll want to turn your faucet on as high as they'll go. You're looking for seepage at this base here or from either control. That could indicate a washer or O-ring problem. You'll let that water run for about a minute. Then once you turn it off, check out how your drain is working. You of course want that water to drain quickly. If you notice standing water left in the sink, this could indicate some sort of line blockage. Once you've completed all those steps to check your faucets, you're going to look under the sink. You should see white PVC piping and traps. Try to gently jiggle that trap to make sure there's no movement or loose connections. Now we'll move over to the commode. You're going to put your legs on either side of the bowl and gently rock back and forth to check for movement. A little movement, maybe half an inch or so, can be fixed pretty easily, but you don't want swaying or rocking, whether up or down or side to side. That means replacing this wax ring sill at the base is likely in order. And that's it. A quick DIY inspection you can do a few times per year to make sure everything is in order and catch those leaks before they turn serious. This is Brian with Global Property Inspections. If you have a question about your home or you're looking to sell or purchase, please get in touch with your local GPI inspector. We're here to help set you up for successful home ownership. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.